Hey guys, welcome to Healthy Habits. Please subscribe to our channel for more natural cures and health tips. Today we are going to see how to make this tasty yet healthy turmeric milk elixir for instant relief from cold, flu and cough. The main ingredient for this recipe is turmeric. Turmeric has many health nutrient values which contains vitamin K, E, C, potassium, protein, calcium, iron, magnesium and zinc. Make sure you bring 100% organic turmeric powder for better results. Next is black pepper powder. The health benefits of black pepper powder include relief from respiratory disorders, cough, the common cold, constipation and indigestion. And here comes the milk. I am using toned cow's milk here, but you can also use soya milk, coconut milk or even the natural normal milk. The reason I am choosing cow's milk is it is sweet in taste, gives coolant effect on the body and relieves tiredness. And the last ingredient we are using is honey. Honey acts as a natural sweetener and it has excellent antiseptic and antibacterial properties. Make sure that you get 100% pure organic honey to ensure that there are no artificial sweeteners or preservatives added to it. Now take a clean saucepan and put it on a cooktop or stove on a medium flame. Pour the milk into it. Let it boil for about 4 to 5 minutes or until the milk reaches its boiling point. After the milk is risen up on its boiling point, reduce the flame to low and now add a pinch of turmeric to it and then a pinch of pepper powder. Give it a nice stir continuously for about 5 to 10 seconds and then off the stove. Now take a cup and add a tablespoon of honey and then add the turmeric milk to it. And yeah, that's it. Your tasty, yummy golden milk is ready. Serve hot and don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.